Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a signature in Gmail. So let's get into it. First of all, log into Gmail. In the top right of the screen, click Settings. In the Settings tab, under the General Settings, scroll down to the bottom of the web page to the Signature section to create a new Gmail signature. Tap Create Now. Give your new Gmail signature a name. Tap Create. Open the signature editor and create your email signature in the text box. If you're happy with your signature, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click Save Changes. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.